Hello everyone! If you're looking for a house and lot at Cabuyao, Laguna, we're here right now at Edesha Heights, dito sa Cabuyao, Laguna. And we have three different models. At yung nasa likod ko ngayon ay ang Sora model. And we also have Mora model and the Yama model, which is the townhouse. And this is single attached. At yun naman po ay si Mora ay single detached model. So for more inquiries, kindly PM me or I'll give you all the details. At may latest inventory po tayo for the month of March 2026. Actually dito sa Edesha Heights, Cabuyao, sold out na yung Mori model natin. Mori model. Ang Sora ay meron pa tayong mga 18 units. At ang Yama ay may nag-iisang end unit po. Kasi sold out, halos pa sold out na po lahat dito sa Edesha Heights, Cabuyao. But don't you worry, meron po tayong Edesha Heights, Edesha Cabuyao East. Magbabagong bukas po for phase 1 and phase 2 dun lang sa unahan. Which is yung Sora, sold out na nga rin po lahat. So we only left with Mori model and Yama model. So I'll check first the integrity. Thank you.